1/2 comes out. So I divide by the half. What's the same as dividing by a half? Multiplying by 2. So that's going to leave me with x here plus 6 pi. So big phase shift. Okay, amplitude. 3/2. Period. 2 pi divided by a half is 4 pi. Vertical shift. Down 1, because then you could say -1 or you could say down 1. And phase. -6 pi or less 6 pi. Okay. Here we go. Okay, first x value, where is it at? The phase, -6 pi. Well, those are kind of going to be nice numbers. The ending, phase plus period. We got -6 plus 4. -2 pi. No fractions, what the heck? I must have made a mistake in there.
You know what, it's okay. I think you should keep it. We'll deal with it. We will suck it up.
Alright. Add and divide by 2, what do we get? It'll be -8, so -4. Oh, how hard are these, for goodness sake? -5. This one's -3. Yeah, those ones came out nice.
Really hard.
Well, I don't know how I made it so, not difficult. Dang. Okay. Sorry, I disappointed you on this one. I really wanted this one to be challenging. Oh well. Okay, y's. We got cosine. Where are my axis values at? Second and fourth, and what are those axis values going to be? -1. I'm going to throw the -1 in here and here.
Then you have to...
Okay. So, can you see it in your head? Cosine starts at its max. If my axis is at -1, I got to be 1.5 above that. -1, 1.5 above that is +1/2. Can you see it? If I'm at -1 and I got to drop down 1.5 more, -2.5, or -5/2 if you prefer that, and then back at 1/2. Okay. I've always done back up a full length. Because these are all negatives, we could go forward a full period length to have the second table, or would you rather just continue on with our pattern? Continue on with the pattern? So -6 pi, we got to subtract 4 pi, phase minus period. So -6 subtract 4 takes me to -10 pi. And then you do your averaging. Oh, I'm totally disappointed in myself for doing an easy one here. God, they're all one apart. How much easier could they have? Could I have made that one? All right, and then the y's are exactly the same. Okay, we've got our 9 key values. This is negative 2 pi. This is negative 10 pi. In the middle is negative 6 pi. So that's as far to the left as I go. And the farthest to the right is the negative 2 pi. Okay, where's my y-axis at? Yeah, I gotta go here. This would be negative 1. This would be my y-axis here. Oh, that's alright. That's okay. We don't really need it. Everything's in here. I need a horizontal axis at negative 1. So that's negative 1. That's negative 2. So right here at negative 1. Everything starts at the negative 6 pi, so I'm at a half. Then I'm on my axis, negative 2 and a half. And then the other one. No, but they're not. The last thing I want to just show you, we're not going to write it down, is sine and cosine. I want to graph something real quick. Hold on. Last thing I gotta show you. Okay.
Yes, right.
Do we have to write this down, or are you just...
Nope, just showing you something. Did I graph sine or cosine there?
That is a sine.
It's a sine graph. I'm going to show you my y equals.
Cosine.
No ho ho.
Wow.
Y.
It was a trick question.
Yes, it was a trick question.
Lies.
Lies. I taught you lies the whole time. Because all sine and cosine are, here's, let me grab a white piece of paper. All that sine and cosine are phase shifts of each other. There's sine. And then here's cosine. But watch, cosine's the black line. Watch what happens when I slide cosine, and I give it a little phase shift. Ooh, wait for it. Ooh. Oh. Turns right body shifts of each other. Okay. Exciting things today. All right, your assignment.
That's it, that you're gonna.
Yeah, look.
Okay.
I said 1 through 6, they run off the same thing. Oh, I gotta stop the recording. I forget I'm recording. Okay, the assignment.
I really don't like.
Page 165. 5 through 12, matching. Matching. No calculator, be able to look at the graphs and tie it back to the equation, because the whole first page of the test is matching. Okay. What did we do today? Did we do 16, 17, 18, or what was that? 18, 19, 20? I know, okay. 16 through 24, you're going to skip the 3 you did yesterday. You're actually going to follow the directions and give the 4 values only. You're going to pick out amp, period, phase, vert, move on. So just the 4, what do we want to call it, qualities? What skipped the, which ones did we have? I forget. Oh, 18 to 20, because we did those already. And then the 3 problems, you're going to do tables and graphs, 2 tables and a graph, Becker. 43, 45, 46, just 3 of them. Okay, 2 tables and graphs. Two tables and graphs.
45 and 46. One
Okay.
problem a day.
Monday morning.
What do we got here? Ah.
Yeah, carried away.